My name is Veronica, and I recently completed the Professional Certificate in Project Management through SDSU Global Campus. As someone with a background in higher education and over 10 years of experience coordinating programs, albeit on a college campus, I wasn't sure if my skills were transferable to other fields. Enrolling in this program was a game changer for me. I want to emphasize how important professional development is, whether you're doing it for yourself to better your career or your company sent you to help advance your current role. This program helped me grow both personally and professionally. One of the courses I found incredibly beneficial was the procurement course. I learned about the requirements of RFPs, RFQs, and other aspects of contracting, which directly applies to my work. It expanded my knowledge in the field of procurement and gave me valuable insights that I can implement in my daily work. The capstone course truly helped bring everything full circle. It provided me with practical experience in putting everything I learned into industry standards of project management. This hands-on experience was invaluable and gave me confidence to go through case studies and interviews and apply the foundations of project management in my current role. This program helped me realize that projects are everywhere, from small-scale event planning to large-scale construction projects that span years. The fundamentals of project management are the same. That's what I appreciate the most about this program. It provided me with a solid foundation that is applicable to people in all types of fields, regardless of where they are in their careers. The increased confidence I gained through this certificate program has allowed me to better share my experience and skills as I network. I now feel more equipped and prepared to explore a career beyond higher education, thanks to the Professional Certificate in Project Management. I highly recommend it to anyone looking to enhance their project management skills and boost their career opportunities.